Welcome back to our how-to series on the Climatiq Excel add-in. In this video, we will look at how to calculate Scope 3.6 spend-based emissions from business travel, including air, road, rail, sea, and hotel stays. Our travel spend calculator outputs trusted carbon emissions calculations based off your chosen spend type, supporting over 120 currencies. It uses logic developed by us, taking into account upstream and use phase emissions. We support various modes of travel, such as road, rail, sea, and air. For these travel types, we use XIO-based emission factors, and don't worry, we handle the inflation adjustments for you. For hotel stays, the Excel add-in uses your spend-based data and location of the hotel, drawing on the UK government and XIO-based datasets to calculate carbon emissions of your stay. To get started, you can download the demo file from our website and open it onto the travel spend Excel sheet. Let's first look at a spend-based road travel example. Suppose we spend 20 euros on a taxi in Barcelona in 2024. We can start by simply entering the spend type, which you can choose between air, road, rail, sea, and hotel. In this case, because the use case is taking a taxi, we can put down road as the spend type. We can then input the currency code for euros, followed by the amount spent as a numerical value. The next three fields are optional, but I strongly recommend adding as much detail as possible. Entering the location that the money was spent in is key to accurate results because Climatiq uses country-specific emission factors for the estimation. So let's put that in. Location can be as detailed as an exact address to broad input such as just a country name. We can then enter the year that the money was spent and set Show Details to True if we want to see a higher level of detail in our output. We now simply use the travel spend Climatiq formula. We can select our input results, close with a bracket, and hit Enter. As we can see, we have our overall CO2 equivalent value of the overall estimated emissions for the spend. We also have additional details on the applied emission factor used for the calculation. If we spend 20 euros on a hotel in Barcelona, we would simply just change the spend type to hotel, and the result will update instantly. To do this across all your spend data, simply drag the travel spend formula down and the rows to get instant carbon emissions results. That's all you need to know about spend-based business travel calculations using Climatiq's Excel add-in. To learn more about the different calculations you can make using Climatiq, please continue to the next videos in this Excel how-to series. I'll see you in the next video.